Today we have to discuss the new concept that is a data model. In yesterday's we have to discuss about what is meant by database and how we can set a program to be right and to access the data. And already we discussed about what is the definition of database and what are the application. Today we have to discuss about architecture for an database system. In architecture of database system is a three level. First is having the physical level, second is a logical level, and third is a view level. Physical level describe how record customer is stored. It This level is describe how the data is actually stored in the data storage device. This level is also response allocating the space to the data. When physical nothing but actual where we record will be stored there. So related your hard disk and all part of we can consider for the physical level. Logical level describe how data stored in database and the relationships among the data. Database constraint. Constraint is already discussed that constraint nothing but we have to write a set of rule to how maintain the records, how give the security for that. Data constraint nothing but I give the as your roll number. All roll number it could not be repeated uniquely as a PRN number. That number is always the unique number. So that's why it is called as we have to give the separate constraint for that. The number could not be duplicated. So that time we can use a primary key. Later lectures we have discussed what is a primary key, what is a foreign key, and what is a composite key. So all part of the constraint. The security is also part of your type the constraint is also implement this level is architecture. This level maintain the database administrator. Database administrator those person who manage mean how data can be maintained, how we can provide the security about the data, how the relationship between different table. So all things responsibility of database administrator, that is we can say that. And DBA logical nothing but where data is existing my database related all the record will be stored as same as a Facebook. In Facebook, we have to make account, and after that, we have to provide all detailed information related your in which city, in which state, in which area you have to leave all it give the description about that your hobbies all things have to say there. After that record will be saved related in a Facebook account. Then after that, so you can use that Facebook account. So Facebook account you have to upload your photos, videos, and all things, and just you chat with your friends. After that, what you have to just sign out, and after that, a few days you can use that your account. So that time your record will be paged on the basis of your account. I mean, just you enter your login name of your Facebook. Then after what, all record is extracted from your database. So that time your how you can upload your photos, videos, all things are visualized. All things are visualized, nothing but from the database is fetching. So that time what logic is behind it on the basis your videos, images, all to be visualized on the basis of your single account. That is your logical concept. So this part, all things are managed by the database administrator. Logic nothing but means just I need a click on videos. Video can be visualized. Video can be seen your account. So that time you click on video. So automatically video will be start. It could not be show the your images. So that all logic is written on the your database. We will nothing but video is visualizing. When you click on this video is visualizing, this is a part of nothing but view label. Application program hide the details of the data types. View can also hide the information of salary and security purpose. As example, when you work with any company or any organization, so that time most of the times just you describe your employee details, but it could not be shown what if the security is there. Means it could not be show the your salary. So that is a part of security purpose. So it is called as a view level. It also view level. The reason is level is called a view because several user can view the desired data for the level, which can internally fetch the from the database, help the conceptual level and internal level mapping. The user does not need to know the database scheme details such as data structure, table definition. User is only concerned about the data which what return back to the view level after it has to fetch from the database present at the internal level. View level is also uh, but we can say that and view level as example Twitter account is there or Facebook account is there. So we could not bother about that. My images, my videos, I chat, how managed by the Facebook account. So in an image file, video file, in which format data will be stored. So we could not be visualizing in which data types, how it record will be stored in that. So that is a technical part. The view level is always hide all the things. So the Facebook account, how it manage all things are handled by the your Facebook account as the same as the Twitter. Behind whatever you can chat, you can tweet there. So how the tweet record will be stored, so all is could not be means all things are hidden from the your the user can be used that one. So this is part of this is an architecture of your architecture of database system. The same as example with an diagrammatically you can visualize this one. So view level is also is called as a external level. So two diagram I have to show that the same architecture of the database system. The view level, this is a view level. Another nomenclature, another name is called as external level, and logical level is nothing but a conceptual level, and a physical level nothing but your internal level. Keep it mind most of times asking the description over the internal, what is the conceptual level, so don't confuse about that. The name is the same one as view level nothing external level, logical level nothing but your conceptual level, and physical level nothing but your internal level. So in internal level, nothing but your all record and store in this case. So it is a internal level. So many time is asking for the please define architecture database system. So this diagram is important. So you can write in that way. Otherwise, you can write in that way. Is draw the diagram. Instance and schema. Schema is the logical structure of the database. Example, the database consists of information about a set of customers, account, relationship, and between. A schema is nothing overall structure of your database. So the name is given for the schema. Means in database, many information about your customer name, address, phone number, all the details regarding loan number, then where you can doing the jobs, what or all the balances, all things are stored in related to your one account. So that is called as a schema. Physical schema database design at the physical level nothing but your internal data nothing but your storage concept. Logic that and logical schema database designer at the logical level. So you can design some logic you can written there. So the logical schema database store in a your hard disk you store in some folder, so that is the physical schema. Instance, the actual content of the database at a particular point at a time analogous to the value and variable. Instance nothing but just delete my record, so that time instance is created, so it is called as the instance. Physical data independence, the ability to modify the physical schema without changing the logical schema. Physical data independence, the word as concept of the data independence nothing but is ability to modify the physical schema without changing the logical schema. You can modify the physical level, you change your data record, all you can change there, but it is it could not be affect the what logic is written. So it's called as your physical data independence. Application depend on the logical schema. when you're visualizing your application, so that depend on the what logic is written for that. In general, the interface between the various label and components and should be always defined that changes some part of the not serious influence others. Then next point is important related and data models. When we can related data model, so many thing is there. This related as a, what is a ER model, what is a network model, what is a physical model is part of a data model. When we can see the your database management system, this is a very important for the data model. What are the structures? All things are including in the data model. Collection of tools describe data, data relationships, data semantics, data constraint. Another is the data relationships model, relation model. Other model, object oriented model, semi structured data model, older model, that is a network model, and hierarchical model. So one by one see the in data model what are the other sub model we have to study in our syllabus. A data model. A set of concepts describe the structure of database. A certain constraint of the database should be obeyed. Data model can be categorized as a conceptual data model, that is called as a high level. It describes the concept as entity, attributes, or relationship. Representation data model, how data is implemented database, like a hierarchical data database model, network model, relational data model, etc. Physical data model describe the details how data are stored in a computer. This type of the concept generally means the computer specialist. This related data model is nothing but how the structure is defined. Structure is defined nothing but my data is stored in a different places. So that time what structure I have to use for that. And when we can structure nothing but it is important how data can be accessed. Accessing nothing but I see just example I have given for that. Just in I open my Gmail account, just login name, password. So I fetch the entire the mail somebody can say, means somebody can send you to email. Then you compose the mail and send to someone. Then you can just you can drop something, you can sending the many mail to your friends, and many mail came to you. So all record will be faced there. So that time what structure is defined for to access my all the details of the mail. That time what model I use for that. So that time we have to study about that. Main important in database management system, storing the data, and after that storing the data, it required to how to retrieve the record. So that time retrieve the record. So that time, what logic is written? Logic nothing but when you write something. So as in your Google, you search something. So um, nodes of database, DBMS. So that time, so on the basis of that two three words, nodes of database means the three word is there. The three word a directly sent to the in is related whatever the server of database is available in Google, so is extracted. Many people are writing the notes on that and sending his sites and just upload there. So all record will be fetching. You describe the page 1, page 2, page 3 related where the word is find is a data DBMS notes. That word is came in any side is there, they fetch there and just show there. So that time what structure is written, what logic is written, that we have to study in all in a data models. First point is a hierarchical model. In a hierarchical model, a hierarchical database consists of collection of record which connect to one another through the link. Record is a collection of field each which contains on Only one data values schema hierarchical database consists of boxes which correspond to record types, lines correspond to links. When we can define hierarchical data model, so it is a collection of records, fields, and fields nothing but a content of value. So two way we can declare as a boxes and the lines. So in a hierarchical model is box, so this is the box, nothing but your records, and this is a linking is visualizing. Hierarchical as a word concern that is nothing but a tree-like structures. Tree-like structure, nothing but just you can make a hierarchy as same like a sibling. What we can say that suppose as you become so that time what your grandparent, then your father and you. So this is a hierarchical. Hierarchy is nothing but your what we can say that it is a hierarchical model, nothing but record in related another record. So it is a parent, sub-parent and child. So this is a tree structure defined in a database. So in database, nothing but just it is a my Gmail account. So it is a related your related all information. This is also information. This is also what we can say the sending the mail, composite the mail. All are the part of this is a sub part of that. That is a child mode. So record will be stored in that way in a hierarchical way. The same as a Facebook account, Twitter account, related messages, related videos, related images, related your text message, all part of that. When click on this, you getting the number of images, number of videos, number of text file, all things there. It is a hierarchical data model. This is a diagram of ER model. ER model we have to discuss there. So representation of your here ER model when we discuss in next point, that is entity relationship diagram. So your this is a record. This is a call as this is a entity. This is a attribute. This is a just you can write deposit. Customer deposit is account. So account is account number and balance. You have to study in that. Another we can say that it is a networks model. A networks model is a defined as like this is the entity is having the customer name, this is the attribute, customer streets and customer city and account and balance. This is one by one we can see about the next point about the your AR diagram. But just we have to study about at this moment is a hierarchical nothing but your parent, sub-parent and child. This is where record will be stored there. So it is a hierarchical model. Then we have to study the relationships model. In a relationship model, this model represents the database as a collection of relation information. Each relation resembles the table values. In this way, each row in the table represent related data record. A relation, nothing but association between entity. Tuples, row in a relation is called as tuple. When we can a table, just in the Excel sheets, so when we can say that a row in a relation, so in between the two record, three record is yes, when we can some field is there, so it's called as a tuple. Is attributes, column header is called as attributes. Attributes nothing but a property. It is called as a characteristics, so it is called as a attribute. As a attributes nothing but just we can see that uh, customer. Customer is having the entity and attributes nothing the customer name, customer address, customer phone number is called as attribute. Domain, set of atomic values attributes is called as a domain. Degree is nothing but the value of the set for the data is called as a degree. So relationship model. We have to in a syllabus a very important point for the relation model. there is a many concept including many diagram for the relationship model. In next lecture, we have to discuss about a relation model.